Okay, morning everyone. Let's have a look at the markets. We'll start with the news. Only real news that we need to be concerned with ourselves today is 10:30. We have some pound news, which is manufacturing PMI. On the markets, on the daily, we've had this ABC up, ABC here. Just watch this level over here, this blue C. It looks like we've made a double top this morning, so we'll have to watch that for the day. But a double top could indicate end of that C, some downside movement. A break of this level here, this is B, and we'll get our targets tomorrow for ABC up. On the hourly, you can see that with this double top formation over here. I'm starting to watch now for things like divergence coming out of the stochastic, MACD, trigger short, break of moving averages. That's what I'm starting to watch for. On the 5 minutes at the moment as we talk, we're watching for a trigger short on the opening fibs. It's very close to that level, so we'll just wait for that. On the daily picture on the Dow, this is an 89% retracement of the previous move down. Remember, today we had to move our monthly high lows for the new month. Current support there on the 77,209.08. Watching for stochastics to come down through 50. And that will give us indication of trend at that level there. The moment resistance on the 80 level, which is quite significant. On the hourly chart, you can see very strong level of support on the 61.8 level of the weekly high low, coming through very strongly on the 5 minutes with our daily high low. The strong level of support coming through here. Then USD ZAR, there we're strengthening a little bit. This is our weekly high low. Stochastics have just broken down through 50. I don't trade it because of the spread. But there we've just triggered a short on the stochastic with the support levels being there, the 77, the 61 and so on. Euro US on the daily. We've been in consolidation for a week or so up at the top here. You can see that clearly on the 1 hour. So once again, I'm watching my stochastics, that down through 50. I'll then be watching my levels and see if there's a nice run there. But looking there to trigger short on the shorter time frame. On the pound US, on the daily, there's our monthly high low. Next level of support is the 77. On the hourly, we triggered short yesterday. There it is. Came and bounced off the 50 level of the weekly high low perfectly. So a break of the 38.2 there, I'm looking to go short on the pound US with a target of the 11. Pound yen on the daily, there's our monthly high lows. A clear close today above the 100, we could move up to the 127 there. That would be my next target. But on the hourly at the moment, looking like a double top formation, even the possibility of a rounding top. I'm watching the stochastic, that's shooting down through 50, and I'll be looking for a short. On the gold chart, yesterday we broke out of this 100, which is a short. We've hit the 127, which is our current support there. So there I'll be watching again, stochastic up through 50, taking a little long, but then watching these levels for resistance and support as we move along. Okay, that's it for today. We'll be back in the morning.